everybody. I'm so happy, so joyful. You don't understand how I'm feeling. I'm so glad. Honestly, I'm so glad. I want everyone to join me to say thank you to Bob for taking care of me, for making me a celebrity overnight. God, I can't explain how I'm feeling. Please, everyone, thank her for me. Tell her thank you. Tell her we all love her. Thank you, Bob. We love you.
You see, guys, we are here to shop. She's shopping. Look at this. We're shopping for her. Guys, so this is our bills. Can you see?
596,000.
So, what do you have to say?
Thank you, Bob.
You're welcome. Okay, take this. Please count that.
Let's see this. What can you see, Betty?
But then some shopping. This is shop 1. Shop 2 starts tomorrow.
Tell them.
Yeah.
It's louder. The volume is too low.
Hello, beautiful people, and welcome. Yes, so now the story of this woman where Bobrisky don't give plenty money, and he don't even buy. In fact, like say, he don't buy motor where they come from. Obodo, Oyibo, we don't know now. But Bobrisky don't take this woman out. So he don't change the woman self. Like if you see the woman picture before, you gonna say her levels don't change. As the woman talk now celebrity overnight. What it happen self? Some people go they wonder, say what will they talk about? This woman now in jelly on her own. No, he go do tattoo for her body. He carry Bobrisky face put for her body. As they carry the face put for her body jelly, he post time, he no talk anything. And they know today after he post several some days don't pass. Now he can't carry the video as he used it do the tattoo. Now he can't post time. Now that video can't go waiting. Farah. Yes. Now Bobrisky can't see her. Say, Kai, who feel best way you do this kind of thing for he's supposed to honor the person. Now Bobrisky waiting. No be girlfriend. These people say, Bobrisky na man. He dress like woman. He change. These people I get problem. Now so somebody come talk the other day where they talk. The person say make I change my voice. How I want use change voice? I beg people. Say make I beg make we leave these people. So Bobrisky now he can't help this woman. This woman, they say woman now, because the woman put tattoo for a body. You know, these our people, they go come, they go say Bobrisky na Yoruba, the woman na Igbo. Politics, they know they around to say Igbo carry Yoruba person. He do tattoo for a body now. They don't see the extent at which Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa don't enter themselves now. They no go see all this one. Now, this one kill this one. That one will be president. This one no. I beg, no go leave politics. I beg, no go na Bobrisky matter with this lady where Bobrisky don't open a wardrobe for. She wanna know say the first thing where Bobrisky do for this woman now to pay the 1 million naira where in promising go pay the woman. In pay the woman no transfer the receipt day evidence everything e dey. Just as Bobrisky don't take the woman out, they don't jollificate the woman. If like say the woman no even locate for Lagos, he carry the woman with aeroplane, he bring am come Lagos. Both of them then they enjoy like say tomorrow no day. The woman don't be celebrating now. In fact, this lady what they talk about, she no get reach 5,000 followers, but now we dey talk of over 30 something followers where she don't get for Instagram now. I know say the time when the woman first put the tattoo, na picture of the tattoo na she put for there. I know say so many people go don come outside, don dey cause the woman say shege banza, this one that one, say she no get work, she no know wetin she go do for her life. All these so many things wey some people go just dey open their mouth dey talk yama thing. See now this woman e don get 1 million naira for im account wey Bobrisky give am, and they never start to dey spend the money on all the shopping wey dem go do. The clothes 590 na the one wey dem don show us o, 590k wey Bobrisky don buy for this woman now. Na you know, be from that 1 million Bobrisky bring cash. If you see the video, Bobrisky bring cash, he carry pay. But the thing we can't even do the receipt way funny, I don't know whether I notice the thing funny well. Now Bobrisky name dey for the receipt. This kind of thing, you know, when people go dey do things, they no go do things with sense. So I dey tell you, you know, some things dey. If somebody buy motor for you, he put his own name. If tomorrow something happen, wetin go he say give me my motor or give me the chain or the cloth when I buy for you, and then look receipt, which person need dem go see? They go say okay, he bought it for you, but it's the receipt now, no be money he use buy. So this kind of thing, make una no dey do this kind of mistake. Put your name there and no be gift wey you dey put am there. Then if you say paid by Bobrisky, fit put am there, Bobrisky fit, you understand? But na your name now you supposed to do. No be say I dey say something fit happen tomorrow, but na for future reference. You know, if you carry lawyer go say where is the evidence, and when you no get evidence now, you go dey look like this. You know, if you bring receipt then see your name there, lawyer go tell you say we are sorry, there is nothing we can do about this. When I know that kind of thing. So now so Bobrisky don dey groove with this woman. Oh, this woman they don dey groove everywhere. As Bobrisky saying they take this woman go Dubai, yo, because I no forget, I been at Dubai then go. No be Dubai then go, but they go soon go Dubai as Bobrisky don't tell her say the shopping, or maybe the woman decide say no one go Dubai yo for this time where this yama disease today. Yes, so all of una wherever on a day as on they travel, they go, they come out, they enter or they go or they come out for Nigeria. Make sure say una they cover on a nose, the thing see the real for Lagos here now. Everybody they cover. Like why you say wetin? Me I dey cover sha. When I go, I know they come out and no be the one wey go put under your mouth. Use and cover that your nose. Cover and no come out and when you don't come out for your house until you enter your house. If you get weird and hand sanitizer dey, use am. Wetin concern me with all this one? Anyway, it concern me because if una dey healthy, una go feel to dey watch my video, and I thank all of una wey dey watch our video. Make una leave una comment for the comment section. Wetin una think make followers dey do? Make them go to this extent, because no be all followers will go to this extent. Say them go carry tattoo come put for their body, carry their celebrity tattoo put for their body. If you put one self, if another celebrity come, wetin you go put another one. Your body go come be all of fame. Maybe it go be idea for somebody one day. Anyway, make I move, make I analyze self, make I listen and watch the video. Yes, so we move.
She's a Laker. Like, we can't wait. We can't wait to feed you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you.
Hey! So what first? Say you what? Hey!
Give me Biro. Give me Biro. I want to write this.
Okay.
Today is 3rd.
Yes. Hey!
Clear road.
Shake it. Shake it. Sophie, this one don't go. She don't lost. Stop go stay for this one.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this.